hello everybody. So today we're gonna be starting off with division. Okay, so first of all, it's just basic division. So 703 and 343, that would be a 2, 686, and then you just subtract to get 6, 10, 9, 13, 7, 1, 7, and then it's 179, 343 and 170, not 179, which is just a 0, with a remainder of 179. So the answer is 20 remainder 179.
You missed that.
Okay. Number 2 is basically just the same thing. 87 and 374, that would be a 4. 8 to 348, which would be 6 and 14, 6, 267, 267, 3, 4 to 264. No, sorry about that. It's not that. It's 261. Okay. So that would just be remainder 6. So the answer is 43 remainder 6. Okay, on to the next section. And this next section is 3D shapes and nets. And there's not really like any formula or anything. You just have to imagine it in your mind. So this goes up, and then this would be on the top. So it'd be a reflection of this, and then these go that way. Okay? And if you do that, you get a rectangular prism. Okay, that's gonna take, but it's a rectangular prism. Okay, number 2 is just this one goes this way, this one goes this way, and then these, like the two ends, roll inwards to make a cylinder. Okay, and yeah, that's basically how you do this section. Just fold it inside of your mind. The third section is the area of a square, and so the area of a square, which means that the side length is just s squared. Okay, and so if the side length is 5/2, you would need to square both the numerator and denominator. 5 squared is 25, and 2 squared is 4. So this would be our answer: 25/4 yards squared. Okay. The second section. The second question is two. Second section is 2 1/3, which is just 7/3. Okay, and then if you square that, it'd be 49/9 inches squared. Okay. The last section would be 4 problems. Okay. Mary's marriage to John last weekend was very wonderful. 20 private cars and 12 buses were parked outside the hall. After the ceremony, each bus carried 35 people and each private car carried 3 people. How many people were in the hall? Okay, so it's 20 private cars and each private car carried 3 people, which is 20 times 3, which is 60. And then next would be 12 buses and 35 people per bus, which would be 420. Okay, and then if you just add these two together, you get 480 people were in the hall. Number 2. On Monday, Maddie worked for 450 minutes. On Tuesday, he worked half the number he worked on Monday, which is 225 minutes. On Wednesday, he worked only a half day, which is 300 minutes. How many more minutes did he work on Wednesday than Tuesday? And that's just a subtraction problem. 300 minus 225 is 75 minutes. Okay, so that's it for this week. Have a nice day.